Guys, today we talk about how can you add ticket season on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click your own profile down here, and you just click your own profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on StubHub season ticket wallet, just click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on add season ticket, you just click on it here or here. So can you choose here select a leg, then here select time, and here's section here, then here row, seat number, and here click here on add season ticket, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.